What's the meaning of batty? Batty. Batty.
Batty. Batty. The term batty can have several meanings depending on context and usage. Its primary meaning refers to someone or something that is crazy, eccentric, or mentally unstable. This term is often used to describe individuals who behave in an unusual or unpredictable manner. In some cases, it can also refer to someone who is intoxicated or under the influence of drugs. Batty can also be used as a slang term for buttocks, particularly in Caribbean English dialects. Additionally, it can be used as an adjective to describe something as weak or inferior. Overall, the term batty has several distinct meanings that are dependent on context and region.